Hello people, and welcome back to the second tutorial of Java for beginners. And in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you guys how can you actually run a Java program without any IDE or anything like Eclipse or so. For that you only need your Notepad and your JDK installed and path given to JDK and your command prompt. So let's get started. Let's open Notepad. There I have it. Okay, so what you're gonna do is you open a new file, then before writing anything you just save as. Okay, there you are, and save it in a folder that you have access to. So I'm gonna save it in C. I've already made a folder named test, so I'm gonna save it to test. And the name of your file, the name of my file be first .java. Let me zoom in for you guys. The extension of this file should be .java. The name can be anything, but the extension should be .java. That is how the computer knows that this is actually a Java file. You save it, then start typing class. Let the name of the class be first. You don't actually have to know what any of these mean yet because we have not started coding yet. I'll explain what each of these mean. Each of these have their own meaning. I'll tell you that in later tutorials, but just bear with me in this tutorial when I show you how you can actually run a Java file using a command prompt in a Notepad. So static void main and string args. This is just a basic way how you declare main function in Java. Public static void main. It's just a hello people program that I've written, quite simple one. I'll explain everything I'm telling you guys again. Don't even worry the slightest of what any of these mean. They have their specific meanings which would be explained to you in the later tutorials once you download Eclipse. Then would be a real programming be starting. So just we have already saved it. Save it again. File. Save. Okay. Now close it. And what you want to do, open your command prompt. So I've opened my command prompt here. Now what you want to type is cd. That means change directory. For those of you who don't know much about command prompt, it's okay. cd just changes your directory and brings you to main C drive. Now I have the saved file saved in a folder named test, so I'm gonna go to test now. So again cd test. See, I've entered the test folder now, and now if I write dir, that is directory, it'll give me all the files included in the folder. Now there you would see our file first.java. Now we have to compile that file, and in order to compile a Java file you have to write JAVAC, that means Java compiler, and then the name of your file first.java. See, just to prove that the compilation has been done, you write dir directory again, and then you would see here is a new file introduced in this folder, that is java.class. right here, right above java.first, there's a file known as java.class. This has been made once we have compiled our program. And now simply, in order to run our program, you have to write java space the name of your class, that means first, that is it. Now you would see the output hello people. So this is basically how we run a Java program using a Notepad and command prompt. In the next tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how to download Eclipse for Java, and from there our actual programming lessons would be beginning. So hold on tight and stick with me, and I promise you guys that once you're through with these tutorials, you would be doing wonders in Java. I don't see any reason for paying anyone just to learn computing. So just stick with me and I'll get you there. Okay, I'll see you in the next tutorial. Till then, goodbye.